Hey guys, we are back again for another travel video. And this time we will be looking at an island nation that over the years, has grown and become one of the hottest holiday destinations anywhere around the globe. That place is, the Maldives. So, in today's travel guide, we will be looking at when is the best time to plan a holiday trip to the beautiful Maldives. Additionally, we will also be looking into the various unique aspects that make the Maldives such a desirable travel destination for many backpackers and travel enthusiasts around the world. Thus, without dragging any further, let's begin. Though it is one of the smallest countries, the Maldives is considered one of the best travel spots anywhere around the world. There is truly no best time to travel to the Maldives, as it is one of those destinations you can visit any time of the year and have a great time. Tourists love traveling to the Maldives for a number of reasons. Whether it be its gorgeous overwater bungalows, incredible weather, or stunning beaches, there are just too many exciting reasons for you not to visit this beautiful island nation. So, if you are interested in visiting the Maldives, here is a detailed guide on everything related to traveling to this magnificent country. Firstly, let's start by looking at when the best time to travel to the Maldives is, if you are looking to enjoy some warm and sunny weather. Warm and sunny is a good way to describe the weather in the Maldives for most of the year. However, that does not mean that there are no rainy seasons in the country. The Maldives does also have its wet and dry seasons. This is quite different from the usual summer and winter seasons that most countries encounter. The dry season tends to begin in the early part of November and lasts till the end of April. On the other hand, the wet season usually lasts from the middle of May till the end of October. Taking note of when each season commences can really help you in deciding the best time to travel to the Maldives. In the case of the dry season, which is between the month of December and April, it is typically the time of year when you can expect great weather all throughout the island nation. However, this is also the time of year when tourists love traveling to the Maldives. For travelers who are not greatly bothered by crowds and solely looking to visit a vacation spot that has a warm climate, then the Maldives is most certainly one travel destination that you should add to your bucket list. In terms of accommodations, hotel and resort prices can be quite costly during this period due to the large number of tourists that are anticipated to visit the country. Hence, saving up some extra cash before your trip might turn out to be really handy. Meanwhile, the wet season in the Maldives usually lasts from the middle of May till the end of October. This is mainly the time of year most tourists tend to avoid traveling to the Maldives. Although this period is identified as the wet season in the country, you can still expect warm weather during certain phases of the season. Contrary to the dry season, hotel and resort prices are relatively affordable during this time of year. This is a great time to visit the Maldives if you are planning on budget traveling. Though the downside might be having to encounter frequent stormy and rainy days, a huge positive is the amount of money you are able to save. Next up, we will be focusing on when is the best time to travel to the Maldives on a budget. The best time to travel to the Maldives on a budget is usually during the wet season. Then again, to be more exact, the period from May to August can be extremely friendly for anyone planning on visiting the Maldives on a budget. This is when hotel prices are at their lowest, and flights are relatively affordable, especially for anyone looking for direct flights from the United States to the Maldives. During this period, hotel prices typically range from about US $350 to $450 per night, depending on which city in the Maldives you are traveling to. If you are looking at staying in one of those stunning overwater bungalows, then expect the price to range from about US $450 to $950. Following that, let's now delve into the best time to travel to the Maldives for some fun water activities. The Maldives is a great place for water sports enthusiasts. There are a variety of exciting water activities available in beautiful Maldives. There are mainly two periods when water sports activities are at their peak in the country. Surfers love traveling to the Maldives between the months of February and November due to how high the waves can get during this time of year. However, big waves might not be favorable for most other water sports activities such as canoeing, scuba diving, snorkeling, and swimming. For these activities, calmer waters are what you are eyeing for, and traveling between the months of December and January is most certainly the best time to enjoy such fun water sports activities. For those bioluminescent fanatics, here is the best time to travel to the Maldives for bioluminescent. One of the most breathtaking sights you can observe in the Maldives is the amazing display of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is essentially the scenic light spectacle that is produced and emitted by living organisms such as fireflies, glowworms, jellyfish, and fungi. In the Maldives, you will be able to notice this brilliant light spectacle being created by bioluminescent planktons. Though these planktons may surface any time of the year, it is still believed that the best time to travel to the Maldives to view these bioluminescent planktons and their amazing light exhibition is between the months of June and November. This is just another fantastic reason why the Maldives is such a wonderfully unique travel destination. So far we have been focusing on the best time to travel to the Maldives for a multitude of different aspects. Now let's switch things up, and look into when is the worst time to travel to Maldives. When is the worst time to travel to a holiday destination is one question that rarely gets talked about by most people. This is an important consideration if you are a traveler trying to identify a place to travel to for a relaxing vacation. In the case of the Maldives, most tourists tend to suggest avoiding any travel to the country during its wet season. However, there are also other tourists that propose traveling during the wet season due to the fact that prices will be relatively low at that time of year. In the end, it comes down to you and the type of holiday trip you prefer. Do you prefer one that is going to provide you with the best experience, or one that is going to save you a ton of money, while still offering a good amount of satisfaction? In either case, I am sure that a trip to the Maldives is undoubtedly going to give you one of the most unforgettable experiences. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video, and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. With that, I hope to see you guys on our next travel video. Goodbye, and see you soon.